Today, we will learn how to include a date picker in our project. I have created a fresh project to teach the date picker. First, add a new file for the date picker and name it datepickerscreen.dart. Next, create a new stateful widget name datepickerscreen. Then, open the main.dart file and include the datepickerscreen widget inside a center widget. Import the datepickerscreen.dart file into main.dart. In the datepickerscreen.dart file, return a center widget in the build function and create a column widget inside it. Add a row widget to include a text widget and an icon button. The text widget will display the selected date, and the icon button will open the date picker. Now run the app. The UI should be visible, but the date picker won't open yet since we haven't written the function for it. Create a function named selectDate and call it in the onPressed event of the icon button. Inside the function, use the showDatePicker function to display the date picker. You will need to pass the context. An initial date, we'll use the current date with datetime.now. A start date, let's set it to the year 2000, and an end date, which will be the current date. Run the app again, and now when you click the icon button, the date picker should appear. However, after selecting a date, nothing is displayed yet. To fix this, declare a datetime variable to store the selected date. Make the selectDate function asynchronous and add the await keyword before calling showDatePicker. Assign the selected date to a variable called picked. Check if picked is not null and that it's different from the currently selected date. If valid, assign it to the selected date variable inside setState. To display the selected date in the text widget. Use the ternary operator to check if the value is null. If it is, display the message, no date selected. Otherwise, display the selected date by formatting it. Finally, run the app. Now, it should be working perfectly, displaying the selected date.
Thank you for watching.